Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a big market downtrend. Only a few bright stars you can still see, which is the volatility index TVIX, SQQQ, which is opposite to Nasdaq. When Nasdaq go down so much, SQQQ will go up, and also oil all go down. Then the DRIP, DRIP, and DWT, and then even D-gas for the natural gas going up when everything is going down. You can still make a quick profit in this market, and I will show you how I made my $649.70 very quickly, just 2 hours within the market open. We're having a big market downtrend today. Dow Jones 960 points down, Nasdaq about 360 points down, and then S&P about 108 points down. How do I take advantage of this market and make a quick profit today? I'll show you right away. I noticed the Tesla big drop pre-market, so I went in when the Tesla slightly going up. When the market opened at 934, I purchased the 30 shares at $845 and sold it in 4 minutes at $851.8957 and make a quick profit in my Roth IRA account, $205.40. That was a very quick trade, but it's a good profit anyways, regardless. For my taxable account at E-Trade, I also made 3 very quick trade. I hold off 20 shares of D-gas from the 21st, the Friday weekend before, so I quickly sold at around 7:27 a.m. to make a quick profit of $359.97. Then around 11:15 a.m. I purchased another 20 shares of Tesla at $275.7525 and sold about 12 minutes later at $277.5884. Made a quick profit of $36.58. For Zoom video, I also make a quicker trade. I purchased the Zoom at around 9:51 a.m. at $108.75 and sold 5 minutes later at $109.2301. Made a quick profit of $47.75. So overall today I totally made $649.70. Finished the trading about 11:30-ish. In this is such a big down market, you cannot expect anything you hold will go up so dramatically. So all you need to do is just scalp trading, quick in, quick out, make a profit, and then do not stay and just grab the profit and run. That's the key. If you like today's video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video with whoever you think will be benefit from today's video. And also do not forget to smash that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when my new video comes out. Thank you.